Website pages can be used in many different ways. Some of these are providing information about your business or sharing your policies for your customers, and also creating things like frequently asked questions to help your customers easily access the most commonly asked questions for your website and the nature of your website, if it is an e-commerce business or it is a service. Now, to create a page in Shopify, you just need to log into your admin section and go to the online store and then navigate to pages. Now under pages, you'll see a list of already created pages. Sometime you're given like a simple template for pages that you can create, things like privacy policy with the auto or pre-generated text that you can edit and publish for your website. If you don't want to use any of those, you can just add a page on the top right side. Then you are going to type a page title. So you're going to type page title here, a page on maybe sizing, for instance, sizing. Then you can add content here. So you can just say this page provides sizing information. Let me just write that properly. Sizing information. Now this mostly applies for if you're doing selling products that require sizing, and there are some other details that you might want to include. So because this is just like a temporary page that we're creating, you're just going to have this few short information, but you can usually have more detailed information. So if I wanted this page to be this way, then I can just say save it and change the visibility to visible, for instance. I'm just doing this for like preview purposes, and then we can have a look at it. Now if I click on view this page, one thing that pages do is they take that specific template for all your page structures, where they inherit the pre-header, they inherit the header section with the navigation bar and all the search, account and cut buttons, and also they inherit the footer, which provides more information about your page, social buttons, payment buttons and currency at times. Now if you look at this page, it is just plain. We only have a heading which is centered, and we have the simple text information that we had provided on this page when we are setting it up here. So the more details you add, the better. Depends on what the page is about. If you want to view an already created page, like if I do this view page here, this is the about page. So this has text, has a vision, mission and some other details and contact details at the very end. So that's how you create a page for your website and link it to different sections of your website and help your customers get access to more information or understand your website better.